Hey everyone, how's it going? So, with all the spread of germs going around right now and how important it is to make sure that you guys are staying healthy and washing your hands, I want to show you guys how to draw a bar of soap. Now, to start off with our bar of soap, we're going to start right here on our paper, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go straight across like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to kind of round into a corner and just kind of go straight down. I don't want a pointy corner. I want it to be kind of rounded. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just kind of round off a corner and just go down. And I kind of put just a tiny bit of a curve into my line. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve down like this, just to kind of make it look a little bit three-dimensional. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go down, and I'm just going to kind of curve over a little bit. Now, I want it to look like the soap has lots of bubbles on it. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to start adding some different little curved lines for circles. So I'm just going to kind of add some different little circle shapes like this all around the bottom of my soap. You want some to be big, you want some to be small. You want to kind of just put them all over the place. And then I'm going to add some more over here. And I'm just going to kind of put these all over. I'll make a few full circles as well. And you can just kind of make some partial circles too. And then just kind of fill them up. I'll put one more right here. Then I want a few more bubbles just kind of all around here. And then I'm just going to put a couple back here as well. Now, I also want to have like some water around here. So I'm just going to draw lines, just kind of go out, and it's just going to curve around. You can do this however you want. It's just kind of making this all curve around and then just come back to this side of the soap. Now, I want to put a little face on my soap. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to add a nice little circle here, and then a little circle over here. I'm going to add a big black dot in the center of each one for the pupil, kind of a little bit towards the middle. I'm going to add some little curved eyebrows right above it. Then I'm going to make a little smiley face right in between there with a little line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to come up right before I get to the edge of that smiley face. Put a little curved line underneath there for a chin, and then a little curved line in here for the tongue. And then I'm just going to kind of color this part in for the mouth. And then I'm just going to have a few bubbles kind of floating around here. So I'm just going to put a few kind of going all over. You can put usually like a big one, like a small one or two right around it, put some of them behind them. Just kind of have a few different bubbles kind of going around. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bar of soap. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.